That's it, I'm done. Time to eat. So this is the kind of dish that comes together really quick. So I'm going to start off with my wok and just a little bit of oil, and we're going to get those yummy Asian flavors going straight away with some garlic and some ginger. 2 ingredients and I'm already so impressed. Ah, the smell is delicious. Okay, now we add in some beef mince. So you could totally use pork mince or chicken mince or turkey mince as well. All of those things go well in this dish. And I just want to brown this off until it's just cooked. Now in with my broccoli. And I like some crunch to my broccoli, so that's why I'm adding it in after my beef. And I just want to cook that until I can see that those broccoli florets have sort of popped with their green color, but they're still nice and crunchy. Okay, so my beef is just about cooked, my broccoli florets are nice bright green, and now comes all the flavor. So first up, some oyster sauce and some soy sauce, and then some dark soy sauce just for a little bit of color, and some sugar to balance out those salty flavors. Now we just toss everything through, get that beef soaking up all those flavors. I can smell the ginger and the garlic. Yum. So I can see that all of those sauces have been soaked up by that beef, so I know that we're good to go. And what I'm going to do is just add a little bit of sesame oil at the end. So always add your sesame oil at the end, because too much heat can actually dissipate all that lovely sesame aroma. So I put the sesame oil in and then turn my stir fry off. And just like that, we're ready to serve. So I've got some udon noodles that I've had soaking in some water. And I love these guys. These are just already pre-cooked. I just need 2 or 3 minutes in some boiling water and they're good to go. And now I'm going to want some of that beef and broccoli and just some final little touches to make everything just a little bit more special. I'm going to add a little bit of chopped spring onion and some black sesame seeds. And then if you guys have made my homemade chili oil, and I know a lot of you have, this is the kind of dish you want to use it for. So, and if you'd like the recipe for this chili oil, just head to my YouTube channel, you can find it there. And there you go, super awesome dinner, 10 minutes max.